In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a group chat on TikTok. This feature has just been rolled out on TikTok and it's great because if you're sending a lot of TikToks to your friends, now you don't have to go ahead and send them one by one. You can just create a group chat with all the friends that you regularly send TikToks to, and that makes life much easier. So to get the group chat feature, it's very simple. Just go ahead and tap on Inbox, and then you can see the little paper plane icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on that. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start a chat with somebody that you want to be in the group chat. So I'll select this chat right here. Then you can see three vertical dots at the top right hand corner of the page. Tap on those three dots and now you can see that it says create group chat. Now if you're not seeing that create group chat button, what you need to do is go ahead and update your TikTok. So either go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok to the latest version. Then simply just tap on create group chat and then you can just go ahead and select the friends you want to be in that group chat, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok tips. Take care.